Hello, today I'm going to be demoing the major changes that we're making to the listing feeds product. The first of which is applying filters, the second of which is automatically syncing properties to a listing feed, and the third is being able to share this listing feed externally. And I think that's kind of the biggest portion of this, the main reason why we want to be able to share external feeds externally is so that our larger teams or brokerages or anyone who's working with a third-party vendor, if they need to share their active listings to that vendor, they can do that easily and it will update daily. So to walk you through that first feature, I will create a new feed, and the filters can be seen right in this property settings section. So let me just quickly fill out the stuff above. Okay, I added the feed name, tagline, description. I'm not going to have any specific property types. I'll set a minimum price of $500,000, and I actually won't set any state or cities here for right now. I don't want to keep this private, and I will toggle on syndication so that way I could demo this last step. If you don't toggle it on during the creation of a feed, you could always edit a feed if you're the creator and toggle it on after. So now I will create the feed. The feed is created. I can now go in and demonstrate the auto assigning of properties. So if you go into add properties, you could, as usual, kind of just click one at a time, or I could click on this toggle, which syncs all eligible properties. So all properties that fall within those filters that we just set, which is over 500,000. And you'll see that we're really only seeing properties that are above 500,000 anyway at this moment. So I selected all of them and I'll click save. And this auto feature works where if any other properties are added to your account, it will automatically add any eligible properties to the feed, so you won't need to add it manually every time that a property is synced into your account. Vice versa, if a property becomes sold or if a property falls below 500,000, that property will automatically be removed from the listing feed. And it will just take a few minutes depending on how many properties you have for it to actually sync in. So I'll wait for those to sync in. But once you're ready to share, you can click on share, and then you will be able to share via XML file or JSON file into your third-party vendor. And on both of these files, you will have access to all of the active property data, all of the members, so any agents that are members of the listing feed, and also if that agent is associated to an office, any offices will also be on that XML file or JSON file. So I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.